In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use MACD crossover in TradingView Pro. We'll walk through the process slowly so you can follow along on your own chart. Go ahead and open up TradingView Pro and load the chart of the asset you want to analyze. This can be a stock, a crypto pair, or any other market you're interested in. Make sure you're on a time frame that makes sense for your style of trading, whether that's the 5-minute, 1 hour, or daily chart. To get started with the MACD crossover, look at the top of your chart window. You'll see a toolbar running across the top of the screen. On that toolbar, find the button labeled Indicators. This is where all of TradingView's built-in tools and scripts live. Click on the Indicators button to open the Indicators panel. Once the panel opens, you'll see a search bar at the top. This is the easiest way to quickly find what you need instead of scrolling through long lists. Make sure you're clicked into that search box at the very top of the panel so that whatever you type actually appears there. Now, in that search bar, start typing MACD crossover. As you type, TradingView will filter the results in real time. Look through the results list for the MACD crossover script you want to use. When you see it appear, simply click on it. TradingView will automatically add it to your chart, usually in a separate panel beneath your price candles. After it loads, take a moment to look at what's on your screen. You'll see the MACD lines and the crossover signals that highlight potential changes in trend or momentum. You can hover your mouse over the indicator name to access its settings if you want to adjust inputs, colors, or styles. This can be helpful for making the signals stand out more clearly based on your chart's background and your personal preferences. Remember that MACD crossovers are a tool to help you make decisions, not a guarantee of price movement. It's a good idea to combine these signals with other indicators, support and resistance levels, or basic price action to increase your confidence in any trade you take. If you're not already using TradingView Pro, check out the affiliate link in the video description. It's a simple way to access the full set of features and support the channel at the same time. That's all you need to get MACD crossover up and running in TradingView Pro. Follow these steps on your own chart, practice reading the signals, and you'll get more comfortable using this indicator in your trading.